Beard conditioner and beard co-wash are two of the most misunderstood and asked about beard products or terms or names in the entire beard game. So I thought I would make a video dedicated to telling you what they are, what the purpose is, addressing any misconceptions, and even leaving you with a couple of recommendations at the end. So if that sounds good to you, if you want to learn, please stay tuned to this video. My name, guys, is Dan C. Bearded. Thank you for tuning in today. If you are new here, welcome to the channel. This is all about beards. If that sounds good, consider subscribing. That makes a big difference for the channel. If you're returning and already subscribed, thank you. Let's get into the intro and then into the info. Beard conditioner is an in-shower product that is primarily used to soften and help manage your beard hairs. It is full of things like fatty acids, emollients, proteins, oils, and many other beneficial aspects that can help you when used properly. My favorite benefit is the ability to comb through your beard more easily, preventing things like premature shedding and even breakage. Again, beard conditioner. You can over-condition though, so my advice would be to find a routine that works for you. I do not recommend using beard conditioner more than 3 to 4 times a week though. The reason being is that beard conditioner coats or seals the hairs. Now, just like anything else, there's good and bad to that. The good, all those good things I mentioned just a couple of minutes ago, also that this coating ability will latch on to damaged or compromised hairs. That's what's going to help you be able to comb easier, manage your hair, make it feel softer. The bad is that it can add up and clog pores. Also, if it is used too frequently or using too much of it or not rinsing it out properly, it can prevent beard oil and your other products from properly doing their job. So it's all about finding that balance, all about finding that routine where it's just right for your beard. There are 3 situations where beard conditioner is especially effective. Number 1 is if you have a lot of static. If you're combing your beard and you realize like you hear the static, you feel the static, you see the static, the positive charge of beard conditioner will balance out that negative charge that you're getting from whatever is causing that static. Number 2, if you have a red, gray, silver, white beard, you are missing the outer layer of protection. This layer that really keeps the hair fibers in all nice and tightly. Beard conditioner is going to do a really good job of latching on to help protect those hairs, but also kind of mimic and give you a little bit more style and control when you're getting your beard ready. And then lastly, if you strip or wash your beard very often because you have an active lifestyle of having a job where you sweat and get dirty, or maybe go to the gym daily, you do want to work that beard conditioner in your rotation to kind of balance out the pH that is happening with those stripping or even daily washes. This is going to bring back some of those aspects that you're taking away, and it's just a really good balance. Keyword to all this is balance. Beard co-wash is not an actual product in the beard game. It is just simply a verb and or a marketing term. Let me explain. The verb, the action of co-washing is just simply using a beard conditioner by itself. Not starting with a wash, following it with a conditioner, just simply rinsing your beard out in the shower or in the sink and then hitting it with some conditioner. That is conditioner washing, co-washing. Now, the washing part is used very lightly, which I'll explain in a second. Now, how is it a term? How is it a marketing slang? It just simply has a good ring to it, right? When you talk about beard co-wash, it sounds a little bit better, has a little bit more punch to it than beard conditioner, at least to me, right? I had a collab that was called Command Co-Wash. It just made sense. There are no actual products in the beard market that will condition your hair as a conditioner and will cleanse and clean your hair as a wash. There is no such thing. The way that our hairs are made up, and especially the environment underneath them, it's just not possible right now. If a company comes out with one in the future or claims to have one now, I would love to give it an honest chance, but when it comes down to it, it just doesn't quite seem possible. There is no such thing as a conditioning and a cleaning co-wash. Now, there are two definitions of conditioning, right? You have conditioning like a conditioner, and then you have conditioning like an oil or butter. I do have a video on that. If I can remember, I'll try to link it in the description, but that's separate. But really, to summarize here, co-wash equals conditioner. That is it. It is the same exact product. We have different ranges of conditioners, which I'll talk about in just a second here, but a co-wash is no special product. It's nothing that's out of this world. It's either a verb, using a conditioner, or it's just a marketing term that sounds good. So let's go over my recommendations, but also let's go into the differences of kind of the levels of conditioner now that we kind of brought it up with co-wash. I had planned on another segment, but let's roll right into it. So conditioners have a heavy, like a deep conditioning. They have a medium or an average, and then there are some lighter conditioners, and that all really depends on how much they're gonna latch on and coat the hairs. These are my three that I'm going to recommend to you guys. Two of them are an affiliate. None of these companies know I'm making this video. None of these companies said, hey, let me pay you and make this video. I wanted to make this video, and I wanted to give recommendations just simply because anytime I make a video like this, there are always people in the comments. I guarantee if I did not say this, there were people, and there probably still will be because they don't make it to the end, that will say, hey, what conditioners do you recommend? So what did I do? I went up to my shower and literally grabbed the three that are in my shower right now. We just recently remodeled our shower, and afterwards Sam took a picture. I posted on Instagram, she posted on her Instagram, and if you zoom into the little niches, these are what is in the shower. So for the heavy side of things, I like to use this after a stripping wash. I like to use this when my beard is just feeling extra dry, staticky, anything like that, and that would be the Beard Octane Beard Conditioner. This is a great beard conditioner. Again, it's on the heavier or the deep conditioning side. You can't see here, but this bad boy is right now about halfway empty. Now let's get on to the medium. This is probably my most used conditioner right now for the last year and a half, ever since my favorite conditioner changed their formula and the new stuff is garbage in my opinion and experience, which is so sad, but it is what it is. But my most used conditioner, probably my number one, would be the Whiskey and Hardtack conditioner. This is a good medium conditioner. It's not gonna be too heavy, it's not gonna be too light. I use it after washes pretty much, I don't know, I would say at least half the time. Whiskey and Hardtack, great conditioner. And then the lightest conditioner. This one doesn't have a ton of that coating, doesn't have a ton of that sealing. If I do co-wash, right, the act of only using a conditioner, it is probably with the 7 Potions one. Now, I have a video that's coming out, may have already came out. I think it probably did come out actually on Friday, now that I'm thinking about the plans. As you guys know, this now has a warehouse in the US. For any of my US buddies out there, this stuff is light. It is fantastic. This is the closest thing to my old favorite that changed their formula right here, 7 Potions. Those would be my 3 recommendations for conditioners and or co-washes. Let's wrap this thing up with a quick conclusion here. We talked about what beard conditioner is, the functions, the properties, the benefits, the cautions. We clarified what co-wash is and especially what co-wash is not. And I gave you guys some recommendations. What else do you have? Do you have some questions that you're still wondering about these products? Is there something you learned? Do you have something to add on from your experience and your research? I would love to hear that down below. Thank you guys for watching today. I hope this helped out. If you made it all the way to the end and you did like this video and you have not yet, please consider, almost messed it up, consider hitting a thumbs up. Dancy Bearded, stay bearded, and stay positive.